In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into SiteGround. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get into your hosting account quickly and securely. First, open your preferred web browser and head to my.siteground.com. This is the official client area for SiteGround. Take a quick moment to check that the URL is spelled correctly and that you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. This simple habit helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your credentials safe. If you'll be logging in often, consider bookmarking this page so you can get back to it in one click. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner and select the login option. The placement is consistent across most desktop browsers, and on mobile it may appear in the menu, but it's the same action. Clicking Login brings you to the secure sign-in form. In the first field, enter your SiteGround username or the email address associated with your account. Use the primary email you used when you signed up or the one your team designated for account access. Typing carefully here saves time. Watch out for accidental spaces before or after the email and double check for common typos. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce mistakes. Next, enter your password or choose the Continue with Google option if your SiteGround account is connected to a Google profile. If you go with Google, make sure you select the exact Google account that's linked to SiteGround. Using a different Google login won't open your hosting account. If you're entering a password manually, confirm caps lock isn't on, and be mindful when copying and pasting. Extra spaces can cause errors. Using a reputable password manager is a great way to keep this both secure and convenient. After you submit your details, you'll be taken into your SiteGround client area, where you can access your website's tools and settings. If something doesn't work, maybe the password isn't recognized, SiteGround provides a reset link right on the login page so you can recover access securely. Also, if you're part of a team and think you might be using the wrong email, check internally to confirm the correct account email before trying again. A couple of quick security tips before we wrap up. Sign in only on devices you trust, avoid public Wi-Fi when possible, and log out when you're done on shared computers. For even stronger protection, enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings is highly recommended once you're logged in. That's it. You now know the exact path to log into SiteGround smoothly and safely. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.